Whoa, I had to start the video because my recorder literally disappeared. Anyways, I'm gonna be reviewing you need to be the enhanced supreme boombox. No, this one should be it. The one that has 30,000 health. Yeah, you will need an upgrade to Slam for him. You can also and you need not down points. Anyways, I'm gonna showcase the improved version. Since the normal mode is just empowered, but weaker. Anyways, let me skip to the part. Alright. Damage and being sunk. Yeah. Also, like I need you in the moment, but not as good. Also, what I mean by now, it has like a 1 second cooldown. Whoops, I didn't mean to pause, but it's good. Yeah, I give this character like 8.5 out of 10. This is really